I have Boxycharm, and I thought you might want to see what's in it with me. So we'll just start opening her up. So we have FantaSEA is the theme. Very oceany, aquatic. Alright, so let's see what we have here. We have Mudmasky. And it's a moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. It is an eye serum. Alright, we also have Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Plumping highlighter. That's just strange to me. Plumping's usually on your lips. But this is in the color French Peach. We have a Detox Hair Serum. It's the Lyfestyle Company, Los Angeles. Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. Oh, it's like little droplets. I'll have to make sure not to get that mixed up with my facial oils. We have, in the color taupe, $1 Billion Brows Micro Brow Pencil. Now I'll probably not get to keep this one because I've discovered that taupe is not a good color for my brows. It's got a nice spoolie brush on the end there. It rolls up. And then we have a palette. This is a Hydrating Complexion Trio. Alamar, I believe is the brand. It's not one I'm familiar with or have used before. So it does have a mirror. That's always a nice touch. And we have the colors Rise and Grind. This is the Fair to Light version of this palette though. So we have Rise and Grind, Pale Wear, and Cafe Con Leche. And I think I'm just going to swatch these on my arm. Show you my finger. So that is Rise and Grind, Pale Wear, and I'm just going to put these on my arm in the same order as they are in the palette. Now the Cafe Con Leche does not feel as smooth as the other two. That's the Cafe Con Leche. But they do feel smooth. Now that first one is pretty light. It is a highlighter. So this is kind of reversed. So there's that one, Pale Wear, Cafe Con Leche. They do feel very soft and smooth going on. I'll probably get some use out of those. Okay. So that was the July Boxycharm. We had 5 items, one of which was a palette. There was skincare, there was makeup, and there was hair care. So it was a nice variety. I will put some Boxycharm information for you in the description. And I will see you next month for more Boxycharm.